Kezi Shenzhen, headquartered in Shenzhen, China, was founded in 2014. We specialize in one-stop services, from mold design to finished products. Our factory covers an area of approximately 20,000 square meters with a team of around 200 skilled technicians, including 8 mold design engineers, 15 quality engineers, and 35 project engineers. Each member has more than 10 years of professional experience. Common materials we use: PA+66, Peak PT. We are equipped with advanced German Zeiss 3 coordinate measuring machines, including EDM machines, Japanese Saibu wire cutters, Japanese Makino CNC machining centers, Japanese Toshiba Toyo 500 high-speed, all-electric injection molding machines, and large-scale injection molding machines. Our machining accuracy is controlled within 0.005 millimeter. This allows us to manufacture ultra-precise molds, shorten delivery cycles, and help customers save time and costs. We serve multiple industries, including new energy vehicles, new energy storage, artificial intelligence, semiconductors, automation, power tools, and electronic equipment. The company holds more than 20 patents and has obtained authoritative certifications: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 22163, IAT 16949. Our clients include Panasonic Japan, TDK Japan, Sungho South Korea, Hwarong Taiwan, China, Nihon Denshi Kogyo, Yagyo, and others. Our products are exported to Japan, the United States, Europe, and Southeast Asia with efficient planning and strict quality management. Our on-time delivery rate remains above 99%. We welcome OEM and ODM orders as well as global cooperation. We are committed to delivering reliable and innovative solutions for you.